I found myself in San Germán, Puerto Rico. San Germán, Puerto Rico. So we are in the historic district of San Germán, Puerto Rico, and we are basically going to go check out the church Porta Coeli. This church was built in 1609, and it is one of the pretty oldest structures here in the Western Hemisphere, so definitely want to check this out. As always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Mama, cuídame a Belen, cuídame a Belen, mamá. Mamá, cuídame a Belen, cuídame a Belen, mamá. Ay, bailame esa bomba y hasta la madrugada. Mamá, cuídame a Belen, cuídame a Belen, mamá. Repícame la bomba.
Now, more than likely, this place is closed because of COVID-19, the whole pandemic situation. So that's the only thing that sucks about traveling in these times. That some of the places are not going to be open, but it's still a beautiful site. It's still a wonderful place to visit, even if it's not open. And I'm very happy to be here. This is my first time here in San Germán. So check it out, definitely check it out. And I'm going to be walking around the city a little bit more to see what else is out there.
Oye, va a escuchar un poco de bomba puertorriqueña con un toque diferente. Que suenen mis tambores. Te llegó la tranco. Llámalo.
We're gonna check out to see how this food is. Obviously, we have to social distance. Okay, so far so good. What you can do here to get the menu is basically scan it with your phone, and the menu pops up right on your phone. They have some pretty interesting dishes here, so I don't know what to choose yet. I might get the avocado stuffed with skirt steak, so we're gonna check that out. So let's see. Oh, by the way, I did get my favorite juice, passion fruit juice, natural here from Puerto Rico. All right, finally got the cheese balls. They look really good. They come with a couple of different sauces. Oh yeah, so it's a guava sauce and a mayo ketchup sauce. So let's see how they are. They're great. Really good. All right, finally the food is here. That's avocado aguacate with churrasco. Got a salad right there. And enchilada. Awesome. Let's try it. It's really good. Pretty good. Empty plate. Almost. Not a salad lover like that, but I do recommend the place. Come check it out. Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico. Okay, so after dinner, I just got to Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico, and I'm here to see the sunset. As you see, the sun is setting. Who knows? Sunset picture. You have to go west. Hey, take it easy, okay? Life is not that hard. Oh, so you're not gonna let me talk? Okay. There's no need to be scared. Thank you. Okay, so we're in the old district of San Germán, Puerto Rico, and I decided to come here at nighttime because it's really pretty.
Linda melodía para que goces, negra.